Okay, I'm going to be taking, there's not much air in this. Actually, yeah, there is. I'm gonna be taking the air out of my pickle. I really don't know what this will do to it. It can either like make it better or make it worse. So like, we'll find out. I just like to use the needle on my bedazzling glue. I like it better than like earrings because it's a smaller hole and like less likely to pop it. Because I've done this before and like I know it usually does not pop, I'm not gonna go to the bathroom this time. Should I though? I don't know. I'm gonna go to the bathroom because I'm actually really scared. I'm gonna like pop it like and it's gonna explode everywhere. So let's walk to my bathroom because it's not in my room. Go through my hallway. Open my door. It's really right here though. So that's a plus. I leave for Florida on Friday. I'm so excited. Okay, this is a really big air bubble, so we're gonna do it right here. I'm scared. Okay, it worked. Oh, it's okay. It's just a little bit. That's like, it won't do anything. It shouldn't come out anymore. Okay. Okay. I don't know if there's any more air. It should have all come out, so we're just gonna like, I just like didn't poke. Should I like, no, I don't want to pop it because I literally just got it. Yeah, I think we're good. Like, ready? Should I do it? I don't think I should because it's not air. Okay, so this is the, there's like, no, oh, okay. Okay, so this is the pickle now. There's like zero air. Oh, that was a crazy catch. I think I like it better because it doesn't make those, oh wait, yes it does. It just proved me wrong. Watch it pop. It probably is already popped, but like, don't mind my crusty nails, guys. Like, why are we looking there? I hate when squishies like do that. Like, it's so annoying.